Hi students and friends and viewers. Welcome to this channel Satish Keys. I am B. Satish Kumar, lecturer in chemistry, Government Degree College Men, Srikakulam. Today I am going to explain very important concept in Unit 4 Advanced Organic Reaction paper. So this class is most useful to the third BSc Cluster Chemistry student. Today our topic is phase transfer catalysis. In this topic, we have to discuss about the what is a phase transfer catalyst and what are the examples of phase transfer catalyst, the mechanism of phase transfer catalysis and applications of phase transfer catalyst and the main advantages of phase transfer catalysis. Everything we will discuss in this presentation. Before going to discuss about phase transfer catalyst, know the catalyst. Catalyst is a substance which increases the rate of reaction, decreases the activation energy of the reaction. Finally, there is no change at the end of the reaction is called a catalyst. Now coming to the phase transfer catalyst. Here the catalyst involved in a heterogeneous phase system. Those catalysts are called as a phase transfer catalyst. In generally heterogeneous system containing two or more phases present in the system, those systems are called as a heterogeneous systems. In these systems, one of the reactant molecules soluble in a aqueous phase, another reactant soluble in organic phase. Between those phases, there is no reaction takes place, there is no collision takes place. In that case, we are using PTC, then the reaction will forward and getting more yield. That is why PTC used in a green chemistry, and also this is a special type of heterogeneous catalysis. See the definition of phase transfer catalyst. PTC is a catalyst which facilitate to migration of reactant from one phase into another phase in heterogeneous system where reaction occurs. Once again see the statement. PTC is a catalyst which facilitate to migration of reactant from one phase into another phase in heterogeneous system where reaction occurs. Here the PTC acts as a very important role, that is it is facilitated to migration of reactant from one phase into another phase. So initially it forms an ion pair with the aqueous reacting molecule, and then this ion pair goes into the organic phase. Finally reaction takes place. What are the examples of phase transfer catalysts? One is quaternary ammonium salts R4N plus X, simply Q plus X minus. Quaternary phosphonium salts and crown ethers are used as a phase transfer catalysts. See examples: TBAF, tetrabutyl ammonium fluoride. Another one is benzyl trimethyl ammonium halides. These are the examples of PTC of ammonium salts. See the structures of catalysts. This catalyst containing hydrophilic and hydrophobic parts. Here the alkyl groups acts as a non-polar groups, whereas ammonium group soluble in a polar character. That is why we are using these catalysts in a heterogeneous systems. So it's soluble in a both phases. Let us take an example. Here the RX reacts with sodium cyanide to form alkyl cyanide plus NaX. In this reaction, RX soluble in organic solvent, whereas sodium cyanide soluble in a aqueous phase. In generally, there is a no reaction takes place or below 5% of reaction takes place because both are in a two different phases. There is no collision takes place. But this reaction in the presence of phase transfer catalyst, we will get above 95% of alkyl cyanide. So that is the advantage of phase transfer catalysts. See the example of this reaction. Rx plus NaCN to form RCN plus NaX in the presence of phase transfer catalyst. In this reaction, we will get 95% of alkyl cyanide because due to presence of phase transfer catalyst. Now we are going to explain the mechanism of this reaction with help of phase diagram. In this diagram containing two phases, one is aqueous phase, another phase is a organic phase. In organic phase containing alkyl halide, whereas aqueous phase containing sodium cyanide. So two reacting molecules in a two different phases. So then adding phase transfer catalyst. This phase transfer catalyst initially reacts with sodium cyanide to form ion pair, that means Q plus Cn minus. This ion pair move to the organic phase, and this ion pair, the cyanide ion is a very strong nucleophile. This attacks the alkyl group of alkyl halide to form alkyl cyanide. This is the product of this reaction. This is the complete mechanism of phase transfer catalyst in a heterogeneous catalysis systems. So here the PTC almost carry the cyanide ions into organic phase. This once enter into the organic phase, it will react with alkyl halide to form product. The main advantages of PTC. PTC required very less time, higher amount of yields, cost effective, no need of any dangerous solvents required for this process. So less wastage also one of the advantage by using of these reagents. All these are the advantage of phase transfer catalysis. Now I am going to explain the applications of PTC with the help of benzyl trimethyl ammonium halide. By using this reagent, so first application is nucleophilic substitution reaction. Octyl bromide reacts with potassium cyanide in the presence of phase transfer catalyst to form octyl cyanide plus KBr. In this reaction, octyl bromide present in a organic phase, KCN present in a aqueous phase. So both the phases in the presence of PTC, we will get octyl cyanide with 95% of yield. So this is the one of the application of PTC. Another application is a Williamson synthesis process. This is also called as a Williamson ether process. So alkyl halides reacts with sodium alkoxide in the presence of PTC to form ether with higher amount of yield. So in this reaction, alkyl halide present in a organic solvent, whereas sodium alkoxide is present in a water solvent. So third application is the oxidation process of toluene. Toluene reacts with KMnO4, which is present in a water medium. In the presence of PTC, we will get benzoic acid with high 95% of yield. This is also another application for the phase transfer catalyst. So number of applications we have seen in the phase transfer catalysis. So all these applications is most useful for your examination. You note down and you write in the examination. You will get very good marks. So thank you one and all. See you in next class. Until then, bye. Have a nice day. See you in next class.